Seeing the WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable, please try again in 1 hour, error on your iPhone. This can happen due to server issues, network problems, or incorrect app settings. But don't worry guys, in this video, I'll show you how to solve this WhatsApp temporarily unavailable error on using your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Turn airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box. Type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then, tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now, search WhatsApp. Next, tap WhatsApp from here. Then scroll down. Here, you can see that officially WhatsApp app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Now, tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings again. Tap General. Scroll down. Then, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap Reset Network Settings. Then, enter the passcode of your iPhone if it needs. Then, tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it helps. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have anything to ask, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.